Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to transfer money using Zelle and Chase in 2025. If you're a Chase customer looking to send money quickly and securely to friends, family, or even pay bills, Zelle is your go-to tool. It's integrated right into the Chase app, making it easier than ever. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest Chase mobile app installed on your phone. As of 2025, Chase has enhanced security features, so updates are key for smooth transactions. Once you're all set, open the app and log in with your credentials. You'll land on your dashboard. Now, look for the Pay and Transfer tab or search for Zelle directly in the menu. Step 1. If you haven't already, enroll in Zelle. It's simple. Just tap on the Zelle option and follow the prompts to link your account. Chase will verify your details quickly. Step 2. Add a recipient. Enter their email address or phone number, and Zelle will send them a notification to set up if they haven't already. Double-check the info to avoid any mix-ups. Now, for the fun part, initiating the transfer. Select the recipient from your list, enter the amount you want to send, and add a memo if you'd like dinner reimbursement. Review everything carefully. Chase now includes a real-time fraud check in 2025, which is a game-changer for safety. Hit confirm, and voila, your money is on its way. A few quick tips. Always ensure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the transfer, and remember that Zelle transfers are typically instant, so they're final. If you run into issues, Chase's in-app chat support is top-notch and available 24/7. There you have it, folks. Transferring money with Zelle and Chase in 2025 is faster and more secure than ever. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.